Cheap and cheerful. So I've been getting into small scale, like 128 up to 116 indoor drift cars recently. Boy, are they a whole lot of fun. I never expected these to be so much fun. I started off with this, I think it's a WL Toys K989 or 969. I'll put it up on the screen. I'm in the process of upgrading this one, but as you can see, these are well built little machines. You can have so much fun with these, more fun than I've had, with RC cars in years, in a small space. So just chuck a couple of bottles down, a bit of distance from each other, and practice, you know, doing figure eights and drifting around. Make it jump out of cardboard. These things are ripper. They're insane. It's not about speed. They do go fast, relatively fast indoors. It's about just keeping it on the edge around the corner. So much fun. That's a 128. After that, I upgraded to this one. Very similar, just increased in size. We take a look on the inside. So, yep, very similar on the inside. Brush motor, lithium battery, decent suspension setup. But there's some even better ones in town. So this is an MJX Hypergo, and it's their new Citroen body. It looks really good. Yeah. Officially licensed. Let's take a look. There's your remote. I think you got extra tyres. Slicks, hard plastic. And off-road. Charger, screwdriver. Gee, that is a beefy looking charger there. Fan to go on the motor. It's nice. Not bad. Soft touch steering. Obviously it's going to be proportional. All these are proportional. Yep. So the warning, do not touch the throttle and steering joystick during turning on the transmitter. Yeah, that'll desync it, I guess. So that looks alright. Now for the main show. Okay. Now this has a bit of weight to it. Certainly a lot beefier than the others. This, so this I got on sale, I think it was about 140 bucks posted from AliExpress. Geez, the quality of these things has just been improving in leaps and bounds. What you get for the money. That's, I don't know, is that steel? It feels heavy. I think it looks like plastic, but I don't know. When you look at it that way, it's definitely steel. It's got this whole thing inside of it to cover over the electronics so they don't get dirty, or at least it'll stop some of the junk getting in there, which is a really nice touch. Let's get this body off. Nice touch. They got these on the pins. Magnets would have been nice, but can't get everything. Now with the stickers, this is going to look even better. You know, the sticker's really going to set it off. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so yeah, we got lights. A lot of lights on the rear and on the front. It's well put together. Okay, there we go. Obviously, brushless setup. Can see in there. It's already got a fan on it, so is that extra fan for the ESC maybe? Yeah, probably that's what it is. This is really well put together. Feels, yeah, oil-filled shocks. You can just, it's so smooth. What else we got in here? So, it's a gyro. Okay, yeah, so it's got a gyro, Hypergo, so it's made for this. Got the battery in there. Let's take a look at that. How are you supposed to take... oh, I see. This has got pins. There we go. Wow. Look at that. So, steel, probably aluminium right through the center there. Look at those shocks. Just really nice. Included battery is a 2000 milliamp 2S lithium ion. Would have been nice to get a different plug. Not a huge fan of these, but it'll do. So yeah, that is a really nice piece of kit. Look at that. It's just solid. There's no creaks or crunches in here. Trim looks off a bit. Okay. Okay. Ooh, whoa. Sounds like Metal Gears. That's 70%. Put it up to 100. This is really gonna go. What do you reckon? Indoor skitting around the house? I don't know. Maybe we'll give it a shot. Fan's going. It's nice. What is that? Oh, the gyro. Look at it. See, the gyro is automatically trying to keep me from spinning off. That is cool. And oh, that must be, servo must be in there. Yeah. Jeez. Value for money, I mean, you can't beat the stuff that you get off AliExpress these days, straight up. I wonder if that gearbox needs any grease. But that is pretty normal sound for Metal Gears. You can see in there steel drive shaft. And yep, nice. Gonna diff. Obviously 4-wheel drive. Some people like 2-wheel drive better for drifting, obviously. These are not the drift tyres. You would put these ones on. Are they hard plastic or rubber? Looks like hard plastic. So if we got the room indoors, that'd be nice. I don't know how well they'd last out on the asphalt, but yeah, that is pretty sweet. And then you've got what is basically just another spare set of tyres, which is pretty good. I didn't have to do that. Alright. I mean, compared to the name brands that I bought in the past, this looks very similar quality, just on a smaller scale. A 116, obviously. Very similar quality. Maybe better in some areas. And for 140 bucks? Jeez. What we got in here? Beefy ass little charger for a USB. I have not seen a USB car charger as big as that. 7.4 volts, 1.5 amps. Jeez. Okay. Yep, for your wheels. That's nice. Chrome plated one. Usually they're just dull. And a Philips. That's a lot better than what you usually get. You usually get those piffy little ones. Not bad. Not bad at all. And yeah, we got that fan. Is it the same? Or is it, oh no, this is smaller. Yeah, okay. So that fan must be for the ESC. It looks like it would fit. Yeah, it'd fit on top of there. So why didn't they install it out of the box? This couldn't be stuffed? I guess so. Afterthought, maybe they realised it was burning out early. So we'll get that fitted and we'll go and have a drive. Oops. Ooh. Turn it off. But yeah, very nice little unit. Very impressed. And from what I've heard, these things really go. They go like a bat out of hell. I know some of the bigger channels have already checked these out a little while ago, and they were very impressed. But let's see what we think. Quick unboxing. Once I get a few shots of it running, I'll post it up. Take care, dudes. Catch you later.